nice, runny as well. Can't beat a good runny egg.
I'm joined by Russ Downing. How do you feel it went today? How was the race for you? Well, it's not a race, it felt like it.
Good to be back on Links roads again.
Hey folks, how you doing? It's Richard from Bikepacking Adventures, and I'm currently travelling along the UK's loudest dual carriageway. I'm heading my way to Brigg for a sportive today, and yes, I'm currently travelling along the A180. Hi there, you alright?
Yeah, first test on the new bike.
And a Christmas jumper.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I got this just for this.
All the best biscuits, custard creams, bourbons and ginger nuts.
Great jumper. Great combination. Look at those leggings as well.
I like it.
Yeah.
I wanted to be seen today.
Well, you've done a fantastic job at that.
Thank you very much.
You're absolutely flying along.
Right, it's first stop. Bacon butter's out. I think I'm going to skip the coffee so I don't go for double piss halfway through the ride. So it's been good so far. We're really fast in the wind. How's the egg?
Very nice, runny as well. Can't beat a good runny egg.
Spot on, yeah.
Absolutely marvellous.
Come on, get your bacon and egg butters. Bacon this way.
Right, let's have a get going again.
So I'm heading away from the first feed station at Great Limber. That fifth one in, first one away. Fuel in, get going again. So we're just heading towards the Wolds now, into the hills. So a short time. We go kind of Binbrook way, and then turn round up the big hill at Rothwell, and out the Wolds onto the flats. And I think it's going to be quite a windy return. And this riding at the front lark is not helping either. It's not sustainable. Anyway, enjoy it while it lasts. Bacon butty was awesome. Had about 3 rashers in here, which is quite generous. Just needed a bit of sauce. Anyway, got chilli and a pint waiting us at the end, so looking forward to that. Check those woods out. Get a bivvy spot in there at some point. I remember a couple of years now wanting to camp in not those woods, but the next one's up on the left hand side. But I just couldn't work out how to get in. Didn't persevere enough. And besides, I don't think I had a tent, and it was absolutely pissing it down. So I ended up sleeping in the bus shelter back at Great Limber outside the Crown, or whatever it's called, that pub. If I say the Crown, I think I've got a good chance of being correct. The New Inn, that's it. Anyway, head down because I think it's starting to go uphill. So I'm just heading up the smooth tarmac away from Binbrook towards the next couple of hills at Rothwell, in and out the village, and I keep looking back thinking, where is everyone? And I'm still by myself. I thought everyone's really caught by now, and it's not like I'm a very fast rider. It's not like I've been working very hard. It's just that I left food station before everybody else. Well, they must be closing that gap down, surely. It's just a matter of time. See how far I can get without being caught up, but I think the time must be coming to an end soon. Especially as got a couple big climbs up Rothwell. The peloton, they're going to be trying to smash up those hills. There we go, got my coin for my chilli and a pint behind the bar. I tell you what, that was really, really good. And apologies for not filming much because I got back and I'm like the third person back. There's two more ahead of me. They must have even stopped. They must have had even shorter time at the control than me. Oh, yes, I'm really pleased with that. Got that filled really, really quickly, and the main group somewhere behind me. In fact, I actually missed the finish line. I went all the way around the pub and then come back in the other way. So, well, they're well behind me somewhere. But while I'm talking, I'm not getting myself to that bar and getting a chilli. So let's go and do it. So I'm with the organiser of the Festive 50, Matt Porter. How are you doing?
Good. It's been a good day.
Yeah.
It's been great to be back in Brigg, and it's great to bring this event back.
Pretty good numbers this year. How do you feel it went in all?
Numbers are building slowly again. Next year we're going to limit it to 150, and we'll do it from here because it's such a great location.
It's nice motivation to get around knowing that you've got some good food and a pint at the end of it.
Nice hot food and good beer when you finish.
Excellent. So how much money do you know how much money you raised this year for charity?
We've raised about £400 for the local charity, and hopefully we can only go up from there. For the Health Tree Foundation.
Okay, and what kind of things they do?
The Health Tree Foundation is the local hospitals, so we've helped them from the start for the neonatal units.
It's down for all the riders, isn't it, to show up and show their support for events like these. So.
Yeah, I mean, it's good. It's the first time we've been back in Brigg for a few years, and we'll be back again next year. It's been such a good event today.
Excellent. Well, I hope to see you 12 months from now.
Yeah.
Thank you, Matt.
We'll
Take care. I'm joined by Russ Downing. And how do you feel it went today? How was the race for you? Well, it's not a race, is it?
Oh,
sportive.
You can't call a sportive a race because then we all do get in trouble. But no,
it felt like
good to be back on links roads again. My wife's from Lincolnshire, and it's good to be on. I kind of call these home roads. Yorkshire or these. I like them, and it's definitely great to be back with Matt. We're going to be doing a lot more in 2024 together, so watch this space.
The route was really, really good as always, Matt. You put on a great route.
I think Matt designs a great route, very safe, and it was good. Enjoyed it. The wind didn't really hinder us at all.
No, didn't.
It was good. It was good to see the fancy dress, the people, and the bacon butties were unreal.
Yeah.
So
it's all about the food. This one.
That's it. Yeah, this time of year, you need to get the miles in. You need to enjoy it. Fuel the engine.
That's it. It gets cold, doesn't it? So people need, to feel like looked after and kept warm.
I think we definitely get looked after. As there's someone just coming in now. Hold on, mate.
Well done.
26. Well done, guys.
Well done,
guys.
Well, that's it, folks. Back at the van, and it's a bit nippy, so I'm just about to load the bike in and get off home. Another good day on the bike. Was the Festive 50, an event from Sportive HQ. Really, really enjoyed it. Really fast route. carried away at the front there. I can't believe I managed to get all the way to the end and not get caught. Yeah, kept looking back, maybe about 10-12 times. I think I'm going to get caught up in a second. Because I'm not a particularly fast rider in the hills. Certainly not on the flat, got so many low gears up the hills. So to get all the way around after that first feed station to the end and not get caught up, I'm really pleased with myself. Right, anyway, it's time to get around the front and start driving home. About 30-40 minutes, that's not too bad, is it? Get warmed up. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you've got any questions, comments, interested in any other events from Sportive HQ, just Google them. They've got loads of events going on through the year. They do one out of Newark, the Newark 100, so yeah, keep an eye out for that one. If you've liked this video, give it the thumbs up, and if you're not already, do hit subscribe, and I shall see you in the next adventure on two wheels. Take care, bye bye.